is India's leading manufacturer of welding manipulators, including welding rotators, welding positioners, and welding column and boots. What you see behind me are welding positioners of 5-ton and 3-ton capacity. Our welding positioners span up to 30-ton capacity. That said, we are constantly expanding our catalog. In fact, we specialize in custom-built machines catering to the widest variety of welding manipulation requirements as set out by our customers. We look forward to your future inquiries. We welcome you to contact us by email, by phone, or through our website as per your convenience. Thank you.